Escape room creators.
Hi, it's Legendary Quest, and today I will tell you about United Air system for controlling escape room. I will tell you about that in 3 stages. The first stage is I will tell you how to connect everything in your already made escape room, how to make your escape room control it. The second stage will be the testing of a distance of the working of our system. And the third stage, it will be controlling software on your PC, tablet or phone. I will show you our unit styles and our unit for contacting for PC. For start, what we can do, we can contact a controlling board to our PC. I will show you that I don't have no connection to Wi-Fi or something else and just connected by USB. So the system working without Wi-Fi. I'm starting a program. So we get a program. Now I took my unit styles and going here to our demonstration stand. What we have here? We have LED lights here and we have a power supply 12 volts. So what we just need to do is to turn it on power supply and connect it to LED. Now I will start this lighting by a control system and it start lighting. The same I can do reset just to stop lighting and it stop lighting. And one more time, activate it and stop. So as you see, we're using everything that have a 12 volt power supply or starting from 5 volts. So we can use everything what we need. If we have in output 12 volts, we have the same volts in input 12 volts, we have the same volts in output. So if we need to use 5 volts, we just need to connect a 5 volts in inputs. When you get it to your room and you need to control a mag lock, what we need to do? We just need to connect a power supply. We disconnected our mag lock from power supply 12 volts and connected to boards. We connected here. When you will get it, it will be in a box and everywhere will be marked where plus, well, minus and the other things. But for now, we're just showing you boards so that you can see which one board we're using. So now we will use an external power supply and connect a mag lock. We have a connector in a set, so we don't need to thinking about that. And we just connect it here. After that, we start a little and our mag lock works. If we need to help to our players, they don't understand the riddle or something else happened in the room, we just need to activate it and the mag lock will open it. After that, when we reset the room, it will close it, and when we need, it will open it. So as you see, it's very easy system. So you don't need to have a special knowledge to connect it to your already made it room. All what you need is input with a power supply and output with power supply. So you can to help your players in any cases, you can to change a lighting in a room or something else. The second step that I will show you, how a long distance of working of our system. So the second part about what we want to talk with you about our system United Air, it's a distance of work. So for now we will showing you a distance. We will test it about 1 kilometer, but we wouldn't show it today for you. 1 kilometer is too much. We will show you less distance, but it will be enough for escape rooms. So for now, I'm sitting in the first floor, and it's we have a high wall, so it's near 15-16 meters. And my partner will going down the stairs and going to the street and walking a few meters to understand that it will be worth it. So I will think that you will understand that in escape room it will be enough for you. Okay, let's start it. I have a stealth board now in my table, and my partner take a laptop with a controlling board for a room that connected to laptop. So, okay, bye, I'm waiting for your call. He will go down, and after that he will call me. So we have a closed padlock. We are waiting until he will go down and open it. When he will go down, he will call me, so we have some connection to understand if it worked correctly. So you will see, okay, here is the call. I am answering. Okay, so we are waiting about it. We are waiting, but we can lose a connection by a phone between us because the thing is of a wall. Okay, it's working, okay, correctly. Okay, and we can lose a connection. Okay, let's do that.
Okay, yes.
Yes, it's open. Activate it, please. Don't worry about losing connection by a phone cell because we have a big thing of a wall. It's a minimum 20 centimeters, and it's a lot for different systems like a Wi-Fi or cell connection, but it's not a problem for our system because it's working in different styles, something like that. Okay, we're losing connection. As you see, we're losing connection between us by internet, because inside our house it's not working because of walls. It's not working a Wi-Fi inside, and it's not working a cell phone. Okay, I hope he's going out already. Okay, can you activate it?
Yes.
So we activate it and it's worked normally. I will explain to you why it's important to be sure that it will be working without no problems, without problems with the walls or without problems with Wi-Fi connection. Because, for example, yeah, okay, we will open now a padlock. I don't know where he now, but it works. Okay, he going for a street, he going 200 meters from our building, and после этого активируй, пожалуйста. After that, now he will activate a padlock. It's work normally. So as you can, да, все okay. So as you see, it's work normally in a big distances with different problems in a way for a signal, and it's not a problem for the system because it's working in different waves, something like that. Why it's important? You can say, oh, it's not important for me, but you must remember about. Да, примагничен. You must It's open. Да. He going and going. So why it's important? Because if you have to be in a room in some premises like a cell where you have a breach walls, it's really a problem for connection wires. You need to make a connection wires between all riddles. So now we will activate padlock. And it's activated. Да, окей, все хорошо, да. And when you get this system, you don't need to make a lot of wires. You need just a power supply wires. And the one more important thing that if you have two riddles, for example, one riddle have a distance about 20 meters from other riddle. For example, I don't know, this riddle need to open entrance maglock, yeah, or exit maglock, and distance is 20 meters. So we will open it now. And it's work. So if you have a big distance between a riddle and maglock, you don't need to make a power supply wire from a riddle to maglock. You just need to add a stealth near the maglock. So after this riddle will be solved, this board will get information about them, and it will be open maglock. So you don't need to make a wire from this side to this side. In some cases, it's impossible to do that, and you will must to change your scenario. But in the case of this system, you don't need nothing to do. You just need to connect our units and starting to using them. So I hope that you understand that our system it's really best choice to controlling your escape room. Also, I will talk with you about our software, so you will see how it works, what possibilities of our software, what you can control, how you can to do that, what you can to like set maybe some soundtracks or something else. I will explain it detailed in the third part. In the third part, I will talking with you about a controlling system. Just a second. Да. Сейчас примагничен.
Есть. Я нажимаю reset.
And now we will open it. I don't know where he.
Есть. Нет. Да?
Нет. Давай.
Нет, тут уже не может.
So we have a different points with different distances that have a connection between a board and between a controlling board, and it's like testing for you to be sure about that this system will work in any cases what you have in your current system. As you see, it's open. Да, отпустила. So, thank you for your attention. I hope it will be helpful for you, and you will choose our system to use it in your rooms. Be sure that you will have a lot of opportunities to using it in your room. A lot of possibilities to maybe change something to do your room better. With our system, I think you will have less problems with the games, because you will be able to use it in your already made it escape room. Just connect it, and that's all. Thanks, bye.